Okay, children, today we will study and see the summary of the poem The Way Through the Woods, which was written by none other than Rudyard Kipling. Okay, in our last class, I have told you and explained to you about The Way Through the Woods. Who has written this? About the poet Rudyard Kipling. What is this very poem? And some other things. Now, today I will tell you the summary of this. Kindly listen to the summary and pay attention. Later on, I'll be giving you it in the written work. Okay? So, The Way Through the Woods. Okay? The Way Through the Woods by Rudyard Kipling describes the changes that have come over one particular plot of forest. Okay. The poem begins with the speaker stating that there used to be a road on the woods here. It was 70 years ago that they got rid of it. Since that very time, there have been new trees, planets, and exponential growth, means a lot of growth from the plants that still lived there at that very time. The entire area has been reclaimed by nature. Again, in the next lines, the speaker discusses the keeper of the woods and what this person has to assess, to know. To that, he does not. The keeper is able to see the secret interactions of animals and he exists among them freely. He exists among them freely. Kipling's speaker concludes the poem by describing all the things. Okay. And not only this, that one might see if they were to enter the woods at night. This very summary. Actually, there is an analysis for the first paragraph and the second paragraph. The first paragraph that starts from here to here, the analysis that is here, that is they shut the road through the woods from here till woods. The analysis tells that the poem begins with the speaker stating that one particular road was shut. One particular road was shut 70 years ago. This first time is spoken as if the reader already has prior knowledge. Prior means he has got the knowledge beforehand only about the road. Although 70 years have passed, but since anyone was able to go through this path, the speaker remembers it well. 70 years before, and then no one has gone through this path, but the speaker knew everything. And since the time the road was closed, the weather and rain have undone it. That is, they have destroyed due to the fact that it was maintained. And then it was maintained, the elements have almost erased it entirely. The elements what have come to through the way, they have erased it entirely. All the things which had come to the path, it has been erased completely. That is entirely. And if one was to come upon this place now, unaware of the history, they would not know that there was once a road through the wood. Just imagine. Nature has taken back the area that humans has claimed. Humans, whatever they have made. The whole area which was destroyed, nature has taken it back. Trees have been planted and grown up around the path, helping to observe what was left on the path. Now, if one was searching for it, they would have to go underneath and help. Here the speaker is referencing a wooded area that is annually cut back to stimulate growth and health, or the opposite. This is an area of uncultivated land. It can also refer to a type of small shrub that grows wild. One would be also forced to go around acamones, that is, here you can see anemones. Now, this word is wide-ranging and refers to expansive genus of flowers. There is a contrast between the way that humans have worked the land, abandoned it, and then worked it again, and the way nature is trying to take it back. In the next lines, the speaker again refers to the keeper. This person is likely the one in charge of monitoring the area. The speaker refers to the keeper vaguely. There is no real definition to what their job is, but one can assume they have come back. They have assessed to all the wildlife that has since come back to area. Then the keeper is now the one who is able to see beyond the surface level of the wood. This person sees the ringdove or preparing to sit and incubate eggs. Their position allows them to see the badgers at ease. The animals are comfortable with this person and they feel as if they are able to continue on with their lives. There is an element of jealousy between the speaker and the keeper, and the keeper has access to now to keep a secret world no one else can see. Okay, children, you can see what was there in the analysis, and in the next video I'll tell you line by line the explanation. Be ready with that, be well prepared with that. Learn the meanings, what is there in the words which are there, and the meanings which are there in your book, that is in page number 14. Words to know about Rudyard Kipling, it is here. Okay, thank you.